Hi everyone, welcome to today's PhraseCamp's YouTube lesson. This is Eric Sensei. Today's lesson will be 50 useful English questions and answers part 5. This is an ongoing series, so if you want to look at our previous English questions and answers videos, the links will be in the description box below. I'll be saying each question and answer twice, so please follow along with me. The level will be around intermediate to upper intermediate. Without further ado, let's begin today's lesson. Is this necessary? Is this necessary? I believe so. I believe so. What happened? What happened? The company server has gone down. The company server has gone down. Can you call me back in a few minutes? Can you call me back in a few minutes? Sure thing. Sure thing. How'd you make this dish? How'd you make this dish? With a lot of practice and patience. With a lot of practice and patience. Did you call her back? Did you call her back? No, I didn't have time. No, I didn't have time. Was the package sent? Was the package sent? Yup, I sent it yesterday afternoon. Yup, I sent it yesterday afternoon. Whose shoes are these? Whose shoes are these? Dunno. Dunno. Is it possible to delay the meeting? Is it possible to delay the meeting? Yes, but only by 30 minutes. Yes, but only by 30 minutes. Won't you celebrate with me? Won't you celebrate with me? I would be glad to. I would be glad to. Has Sam arrived at the meeting? Has Sam arrived at the meeting? Not yet. Not yet. When did the incident occur? When did the incident occur? I believe it was this morning at 8:03. I believe it was this morning at 8:03. How come you never say anything in class? How come you never say anything in class? Because I'm bored. Because I'm bored. Did she suffer an injury? Did she suffer an injury? Yes, apparently she fell and broke her back. Yes, apparently she fell and broke her back. Can you tell her not to speak so loudly? Can you tell her not to speak so loudly? Okay. Janice, can you keep it down? Okay. Janice, can you keep it down? Who did you speak with? Who did you speak with? I spoke with my boss. I spoke with my boss. Who are these people? Who are these people? I don't know. They look like travelers. I don't know. They look like travelers. Would you prefer to stay at home tonight? Would you prefer to stay at home tonight? Yeah, I'd prefer that. Yeah, I'd prefer that. What were you doing last night? What were you doing last night? At home, catching a flick. At home, catching a flick. How was the movie? How was the movie? Pretty good. I enjoyed it. Pretty good. I enjoyed it. Whose place shall we head to? Whose place shall we head to? Let's head to Sam's house. I heard he's free. Let's head to Sam's house. I heard he's free. Where were the stolen items found? Where were the stolen items found? According to the news, they were found in an abandoned house. According to the news, they were found in an abandoned house. Are they going to refund our money? Are they going to refund our money? Yes, they said they would. Yes, they said they would. Can we talk in 5 minutes' time? Can we talk in 5 minutes' time? No worries. I'll call you back in 5. No worries. I'll call you back in 5. David, where's your homework? David, where's your homework? I left it at home. Sorry. I left it at home. Sorry. Was Jane at the party? Was Jane at the party? No, not that I'm aware of. No, not that I'm aware of. Has the package been sent? Has the package been sent? Yep, already sent. Yep, already sent. Is Jody all right? Is Jody all right? No, she's in pretty bad shape at the moment. No, she's in pretty bad shape at the moment. Which one are you looking for? Which one are you looking for? I'm looking for the small one. I'm looking for the small one. Are you able to come over now? Are you able to come over now? I can. I'll be there shortly. I can. I'll be there shortly. Where are they? Where are they? They're in class at the moment. They're in class at the moment. Will the situation get better? Will the situation get better? I don't think it will. I don't think it will. When will our pizza arrive? When will our pizza arrive? Probably in the next 10 minutes or so. Probably in the next 10 minutes or so. How is she doing? How is she doing? She's doing well. She's doing well. Do you need a hand? Do you need a hand? That would be much appreciated. That would be much appreciated. Can we finish here for today? Can we finish here for today? Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. Couldn't we just all get along? Couldn't we just all get along? That's impossible. That's impossible. Who are you talking about? Who are you talking about? I'm talking about Cookie, Susie's new poodle dog. I'm talking about Cookie, Susie's new poodle dog. Can you tell her I said hello? Can you tell her I said hello? Sure thing. I'll say you said hi. Sure thing. I'll say you said hi. What would you have said? What would you have said? I would have kept quiet. I would have kept quiet. How do we know if she's telling us the truth? How do we know if she's telling us the truth? You can tell by her body language. You can tell by her body language. Whose books are these? Whose books are these? They're Jeff's. They're Jeff's. Where did you say you were from? Where did you say you were from? I'm from Dubai. I'm from Dubai. Will she study in Australia next year? Will she study in Australia next year? She doesn't know now due to the virus. She doesn't know now due to the virus. Can you trust him? Can you trust him? With my life. With my life. Is Fred really an ex-con? Is Fred really an ex-con? Yes, he did time in a state penitentiary. Yes, he did time in a state penitentiary. Was it worth it? Was it worth it? Most definitely. Most definitely. Would you have it any other way? Would you have it any other way? None whatsoever. None whatsoever. How did they escape from the prison? How did they escape from the prison? I heard they escaped by digging through a wall. I heard they escaped by digging through a wall. Which operating system is better, Android or iOS? Which operating system is better, Android or iOS? Definitely iOS. Definitely iOS. Shall we stop here and continue tomorrow? Shall we stop here and continue tomorrow? I think that's a good idea. I think that's a good idea. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video and it helped with your English speaking in any way, we'd love for you to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so we can upload more videos for you in the future. Have a great day and see you in our next video. This is Eric signing out.